Hey, how's it going, PC team? In this video, we're going to go over day one of the small account challenge, what I saw in the market today, what trades I took, what trades I passed up on, and why I decided to trade, said positions. So all that and more coming right up. Alrighty, so I only took one trade in the small account. You're going to find that's a very common occurrence because I am below PDT in the small account. I'm starting at $2,500. So what's it up to now? What's the play I took? Now I traded my main account today, practically break-even day. Traded VKTX, made a small gain on there for the break of VWAP. We traded SLNO, small loss there for a break towards high a day. So what was the solid play I did take today? Well, as SMMT looked way better on the, it's not going to show up the 6-month chart. Okay, bear with me. This is the 1 hour chart. What I was looking for was a clean break of this descending resistance line here. As it was consolidating throughout the day or throughout this last week, I knew there was room for another run up. I alerted the team that at 375 during a morning live stream. I said, if it holds 375, I really think this is going to run up to much past 4 and beyond. And that it did. I was in some mastermind one-on-one lessons with some of my team members, so unfortunately I didn't catch it. However, what I did see is I saw that, okay, pretend this is the 6-month time frame. Here's the first pullback, here's the second, here's the third. This quantifies the whole pullback, okay? It's a point of rest, period of consolidation, much bigger than these two, still a pullback. Technically, it's third move to the upside. Now, yes, it's been kind of consolidating for several days now. However, it does still specify as a pullback. So as it gapped higher and became overextended, I knew there was a good short opportunity. So how did I know when to properly enter? Well, I counted first the pullbacks on the 5-minute time frame. Here's kind of the first one. Remember, this is technically one whole pullback as it really failed to break high a day. So it was 1, 2, and then this is the third one. And then as it validated this ascending support line, it was trading in this range, I noticed. It was around 2:30 when I noticed this, 3 o'clock, 3:30 actually. And so it was getting close to close, and I was not going to hold this short into close. Now, what happened was it broke below this ascending support line after validating it 3 times, and then when it came up to retest it, got rejected. I knew that was a good short opportunity. So I hopped in a short, 466,000 shares. The problem is I don't know my way around this new platform yet. It is Trade Zero. However, don't go and make an account just yet. We are partnering with them more than likely. So what's going to happen is if you guys open an account through our referral link, it's going to help our channel as well as help you guys get several free months of commission. So just wait a few more days. But anyway, as I got rejected, I checked the short fees. It was less than $1 a share. So I actually looked to short 1,000 shares. I did use a little margin on the short, a little leverage there. And it was less than a penny shares, about $8 fee. So I said, okay, I'll short it around 466 as it rejected. I kind of was hoping to get the 475 area. However, the reason why I didn't get such a high average like I wanted was I honestly didn't really know my way around this platform. I haven't really taken many short trades. So I located it, thought I was filled, wasn't filled, finally was filled at 466. The reason why I was very happy with today's execution was I didn't chase, okay? I really wanted to trade this to the upside. I knew there was a good opportunity at 375, and I worked all day to come back to see it at 540. Like, man, I missed a really good long opportunity. So I was kind of trying not to beat myself up, but I knew what comes up must come down in similar fashion. So what happened was this kind of 5-minute candle printed to the downside. I was very confident in it. Due to now counting 3 waves down. So 1 wave down, 1 wave to the upside, 2 wave down, 2 waves to the upside, 3 wave down. So at this point, there was a lot of support here. My price targets were at first 440, as there's a lot of consolidation in this area. And for a short trader, you want to look for consolidation areas and zones. And I thought this 440 through 425 was a really good zone. So I saw this. I was like, okay, you know what? These are where my price targets are going to be. And as you can see in this arrow, I locked in, looks like all my profit, I took 2 partials, one at 433, the other one as it broke down to 425. I did fill my order a little bit higher because I I didn't wait a second longer. Right as I sold, there was a massive seller that came in that pushed it down an extra 10 cents a share. But what is my account up on the day? So as you can see, I started with $2,500. You can subtract if you want the daily realized minus the equity. I started with $2,500. So my account was actually up. Can I scroll this? I have the screenshot on my phone. It's 9.32%. If I go to the Discord here, bada bing, bada boom. My small account's up 9.32%. Okay, so pretty solid day for the first day of trading it. I did alert the team that I was planning on shorting this on my small account. However, not all traders are accustomed to the short, side of things. So you're going to see I'm going to be doing this a lot on my small account, as I do think there's a lot of opportunities to the short side. It's just proven that stocks fall faster than they rise. It's easier to guess when a stock is going to fall faster than they rise. Why? Because the emotion of fear is stronger than the emotion of greed. So when people are fearful for their accounts, they are quick to sell, quick to stop out, and the stock will go down. So I found it's easier to gauge when a stock is kind of topped out than bottomed out, if that makes sense. So I usually short into strength. And this was the play I took today. A few things. I was patient. I let the opportunity come to me. I didn't have massive FOMO going, man, I wish I did this. I wish I did that. My small account, first day trading my small account, I didn't even trade in it. But I waited. There was literally 30 minutes left till open. I closed it with about 10 minutes to spare, not even, about 5 minutes to spare. And I executed pretty well on it. I was pretty happy with the trade, fairly, blessed with that opportunity. Now, check this out. As soon as I stepped away from my desk, because I had another meeting, boom, probably one of the biggest moves I've seen all year. After hours, this stock went from below $1 a share. It was 75 cents a share earlier today, topping out at almost $12 a share. Are you kidding me? Straight up, break of 2, break of 1, break of 5, break of 10, squeezing in. And if you go to the 1 minute time frame, it squeezed not 10, not 20, not 30, not 40, but 50% in 1 minute. Check this 1 minute candle from lows of 774 to highs of 1184. Are you kidding me? Missed that whole opportunity. I didn't short it. I didn't honestly see it until about this time, maybe a little earlier on this time. And when a stock just goes absolutely parabolic like that, you can't count the pullbacks. At that point, the stock ran over 1,000% without a pullback. It just follows different rules. Parabolic momentum follows different rules. I can't believe it. I can't say as to where I would have traded it, how I would have traded it, how much I'd be up on it. But this is a part of trading. You have to understand you're going to miss opportunity. You can't simply make every single trade. But this one hurts. This was literally probably one of the biggest and easiest moves to profit on, because it literally was straight up. If you look at the 1 minute time frame, there was 1, 2, 3 1 minute red candles. But other than that, it just broke out, break out. It just it is what it is. So I don't want to beat myself up on it. Maybe we'll get a good play on it tomorrow. Wild. I honestly don't even know what the catalyst was. Let me see if I can pull it up. Okay. Revenue. Looks like they got positive news on some kidney tumor stuff. Okay. Effective trading with blah blah. 90% win rate. Okay, that's an interesting catalyst. For it to squeeze that much, that's wild. Missed opportunity. But that's how the day went. Up 9.32% in the small account challenge. Super solid first day, man. If you guys like these daily recaps, like going over the trades I took, once you guys smash that like button, I will continue to make these. If you guys want me to keep trading the small account, I will do so. Just gotta hit the like button as we grow. So that's it, guys. If you guys have any other questions about the trades I took 2 trades in my main account. I think I'm down $50 on the day, so there's no, in my opinion, no use to cover that. $50 in a $100,000 account. I think I'll be okay. Small account, super well. Guys, hold on to opening a Trade Zero account. Don't do it just yet, because if you wait a few days and you open with our referral link, A, you're helping the brand, but B, you're also going to get, I think, I'm going to try to negotiate 4 to 6 months of free commissions, which is awesome. So if you guys want that, just hit the like. I'll keep you guys informed as to what I trade tomorrow. Sorry this one came out a little bit later, but that's going to do it for the day one of day trading a small account from $25,500 to $100,000. Have an excellent day, guys. I'll catch you first thing in the stream tomorrow morning. Peace, team.